Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of financial planning for beginners in 2024. But before we get started, did you know that 40% of Americans have less than $500 in savings? Shocking, right? Financial planning is a crucial aspect of securing your future financial stability. It's about making smart decisions today that will benefit you down the road. So, let's talk about the importance of financial planning for beginners. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refine your financial strategies, this step-by-step guide will help you build a solid foundation for a successful financial future. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Why set goals? Having clear financial goals gives you a roadmap to follow and helps you stay focused on what you want to achieve. Your goals can range from short-term objectives, like building an emergency fund, to long-term dreams, such as buying a house or retiring comfortably. How to set goals. Define your objectives. Think about what you want to achieve financially in the next 1, 5, and 10 years. Be specific. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Prioritize. Determine which goals are most important to you and focus on those first. Example goals. Save $5,000 for an emergency fund in 12 months. Pay off $10,000 in credit card debt within 2 years. Save $20,000 for a down payment on a house in 5 years. Step 2. Create a budget. Why budgeting matters. A budget is essential for managing your money effectively. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you live within your means and can allocate funds towards your financial goals. How to create a budget. Calculate your income. List all sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, and side hustles. Track your expenses. Record all your expenses, from rent and groceries to entertainment and dining out. Categorize expenses. Divide your expenses into categories like housing, utilities, transportation, food, and discretionary spending. Set spending limits. Allocate a specific amount to each category based on your income and financial goals. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. Budgeting tools. Apps. Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, Pocket Guard spreadsheets, Excel, Google Sheets. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Why you need an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that covers unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. It helps prevent you from going into debt during emergencies. How to build an emergency fund. Set a target amount. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small. Begin by saving a small portion of your income each month. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund account. Use a separate account. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible savings account. Step 4. Manage and reduce debt. Why reducing debt is important. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can hinder your financial progress. Reducing and managing debt helps you save money on interest and frees up funds for other financial goals. How to manage and reduce debt. List your debts. Record all your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Choose a repayment strategy. Use methods like the snowball, paying off smallest debts first, or avalanche, paying off highest interest debts first. Consolidate debt. Consider debt consolidation options to simplify payments and lower interest rates. Make extra payments. Allocate extra funds towards debt repayment whenever possible. Tools and resources. Debt repayment calculators, Bankrate, NerdWallet debt management apps, Debt Payoff Planner, Undebt.it. Step 5. Start saving and investing. Why saving and investing? Saving and investing are crucial for building wealth and achieving long-term financial goals. While saving provides a safety net, investing helps your money grow over time. How to start saving and investing. Open savings accounts. Use high-yield savings accounts for short-term goals and emergency funds. Set up retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs to benefit from tax advantages and compound growth. Diversify investments. Invest in a mix of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to spread risk. Educate yourself. Learn about different investment options and strategies to make informed decisions. Investment platforms. Robo-advisors, Betterment, Wealthfront Brokerages, Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. Step 6. Protect your finances. Why financial protection is important. Protecting your finances with insurance and legal measures ensures that your assets and loved ones are safeguarded against unforeseen events. How to protect your finances. Get insurance. Purchase health, auto, home, and life insurance to cover potential risks. Create a will. Ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes by creating a will. Set up an emergency fund. As mentioned earlier, an emergency fund provides a financial cushion during unexpected situations. Insurance providers. Health insurance, healthcare.gov, private insurers, auto, home insurance, Geico, State Farm, Allstate Life Insurance, term life or whole life policies from reputable insurers. Step 7. Monitor and review your financial plan. Why regular reviews are important. Your financial situation and goals may change over time. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan ensures that you stay on track and make necessary changes. How to monitor and review set. Regular check-ins. Schedule monthly or quarterly reviews of your financial plan. Track. Progress. Monitor your progress towards financial goals and adjust your budget as needed. Seek professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance and advice. Tools for monitoring financial planning apps. Personal Capital, Quicken Spreadsheets. Create a custom spreadsheet to track goals and progress. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, set a goal and budget in place, the next step is to start saving and investing. It's important to have an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, as well as to save for short-term and long-term goals. Consider opening a high-yield savings account or investing in a retirement account to help your money grow over time. In addition to saving and investing, it's important to protect your financial future with insurance. This includes health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and other types of coverage that can help you mitigate financial risks. Make sure you have the right insurance policies in place to protect yourself and your loved ones. As you continue on your financial planning journey, it's important to regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. Life changes, and your financial plan should evolve with it. Stay disciplined, stay focused on your goals, and don't be afraid to seek help from a financial advisor if you need guidance. In 2024, financial planning for beginners is more accessible than ever before. With the right tools, resources, and mindset, anyone can take control of their financial future and build a solid foundation for long-term success. Start today by assessing your current financial situation, setting clear goals, creating a budget, saving and investing, protecting your financial future with insurance, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan as needed. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve financial success and security in the years to come. Before we go, don't forget to check out more financial planning videos on our channel, and we'd love to hear from you. Share your own financial planning tips and experiences in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. See you in the next video.